Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is going to look at chromatography. So what is chromatography? Well, you've probably done this within your science laboratory at school. Therefore, let's just have a look at the layout. First of all, you probably filled a beaker and placed some water in it. Next, you may have used a spill and attached to it a piece of chromatography paper, to which you added some dye. And what you did is then watch that as the dyes moved up the paper. Well, first of all, a solvent moves through the paper, and as it moves, the different compounds travel different distances. The distances travelled depend on the attraction for the paper and the solvent. From this, we can calculate the RF value. This is the ratio of the distance moved by the compound, which is identified by the centre of the spot, from its origin, to the distance travelled by the solvent, and this can be expressed as the RF value. So RF value is distance moved by the substance divided by the distance moved by the solvent. Now this RF value is unique because different compounds have different RF values in different solvents. Let's use this as an example then. So let's calculate an RF value. Well, first of all, on your chromatography piece of paper, you would have taken the piece of paper and then drawn a single pencil line initially. You would then place some dots of different dyes onto the paper, e.g. food colouring, and you would have waited for it to separate. The time that you left it for allowed the water to travel up the piece of paper. The maximum distance is called the solvent front, as shown on the diagram. Therefore, we can calculate the distance travelled by the solvent. This is, in this example, 5 centimetres. We can then calculate the distance travelled to the centre of the spot at this purple dot at the top, and this one would be 4 centimetres. Therefore, we can calculate the RF value, which would be 4 divided by 5, therefore equaling 0.8. We can then calculate the distance to the other spots. These ones have only travelled 1 centimetre, therefore 1 divided by 5 would be 0.2.